Hello friends, Samsung Galaxy A02 LCD screen replacement is super easy if you know the proper procedure. It is an old phone, but some people like to keep using small phone. First, take the SIM tray out and open back cover with help of pry tool. Now, unscrew all screws from the top and bottom frame of phone with help of Phillips screwdriver. With the help of sharp tool, first remove the motherboard cover following by charging board cover. Remove the battery connector first, the LCD, and charging connector at the bottom portion. To continue our repairing process, heat the broken screen from the side to soften the glue underneath. Then use pry tool to separate the LCD screen from the frame. Clean this frame wisely as showing inside the video to fit new screen properly. I am using Samsung A12 screen version number 127F to fit on this Samsung A02 frame. I know screen which I removed from this phone is different, which was M127F. But these model A12 and A02 screens are interchangeable. Adjust the flexes and apply B7000 T7000 glue on the edge and fit the screen perfectly. Connect charging connector as well as LCD connection at the top portion. Lastly, don't forget to attach battery connection to the motherboard. After testing, secure the motherboard and charging board with covers and stable these with screws. Finally, attach the back cover to the frame by pressing from corners. I hope you liked the video. We wish you the best of luck for your repairing, and we encourage you to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Should you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments and I will do my best to respond.